So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to share with you on how to create your own QR code. So the first thing that you need to do is make sure that you have Wi-Fi connection for you to do this. So now I'm taking you to my Canva account. So here in my infographic, as you notice, are the main characters of Romeo and Juliet. So here, the arrows represent the relationships to each other, like love, it could be rivalry, or it could be hate. So now I am going to show you how to generate your own QR code by using this. Now go to your Chrome and search for QR code generator. So we need to look for a generator that is free. So we have here the QR code generator, create your free QR codes. So just click accept all cookies, and here you can have your URL to be a QR code, Wi-Fi, MP3, whichever you like. So here we're just going to copy the link or copy the URL. So just going to click it, copy it, and paste it to the code generator, QR code generator. So we're just going to paste it, and click and enter. So here we already have generated our QR code. It depends on whichever you like. There are different designs here. So just click download JPG. So once you have downloaded your QR code, you have noticed like your QR code is being generated, so you don't need to exit this one. Do not refresh it as well. So just wait for it to download it, like manually. They will be the one to download it on your file. So here it's already downloaded, so we're just going to open it to check if we have QR code. So now I am going to use my phone. I'm just going to do another screen recorder for that. If this QR code will going to generate to my Canva account, which has my infographic based on the Romeo and Juliet. So now let us proceed to that. So here I have now my phone. I just do it on landscape. So we're just going to search for my smart scanner. So here we're just going to scan our QR code, and as you notice, there is a link on that, and it will go directly to my Canva account, which is my infographic activity. So it's a successful, and we created our own QR code. So thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something through this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!